ThruNite's BSS V4. Rechargeable. Let me shut my headlight off. It's blue. That light will change as the power starts to be used up. But you got your off, firefly, low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Should double click, triple click, strobe, unlock. Okay, this is the ThruNite BSS V4 tactical flashlight. It's got this on here. It's all perfectly legal. You're walking to your car at night, you work nights, you're going out to your car, your wife's going to her car, she keeps this in her hand. Get the light, but you also have this. I'll show you in the light when I get home. You got your pocket clip, your lanyard, and your case. MOLLE attachment. Rechargeable. USB. You have a charging light here. It's got a lock mode. To unlock it, you hold it for a few seconds and it will come on. It'll come on firefly. And then you got your low, medium, high, turbo, 3 clicks, strobe, or in the back you have automatically to turbo. Now to lock it, you hold this down, it's on, you hold it down for a couple seconds so it's locked. So you can't automatically accidentally turn it on in your pack. To unlock it, you hold it and it'll come on. And then you can cycle through your ranges. Double click, turbo, triple click, strobe, or straight turbo. It also has something pretty cool. Let me show you this. It comes with a charging cable. Comes with everything you see here. The charging cable, it comes with extra O-rings. You can unscrew this, and you can put this. Okay, I'll unlock it. There's your firefly. Low, medium, high. Now, the red doesn't make your your pupils dilate as much. So if you're walking around in this, if you shut this off, you can still have your night vision. It also doesn't show up from so far away. So if you're in camp, you want to walk around at night, go to the bathroom or whatever, you don't want to bother other people, you can use your red light. And again, that unscrews. And the tactical lens goes on, the tactical guard. That's great for if it drops, cannot hit that glass. But also, you bring that across somebody's arm, face, back, whatever, that is going to do some serious damage. Look at this. Now this is the camo model, pretty cool. So I'm going to show you the red lens. There's a low, medium, there's a high. You have nowhere near the range. But it doesn't show up from a great distance. Like that helicopter that you hear flying around, they probably cannot see this. I can see to get around, but they can't see me unless I shine it directly at them. There's the strobe with the red lens. Now I'm barely reaching up there in those trees, but let me take this red lens off and show you the difference. See, look at that difference. This light is like a mid, right in the middle. It's not a... There's somebody up in the bushes. There's somebody sneaking around them bushes right there. There was a homeless or a drug addict type dude walking by here a little while ago. He's up there in those bushes. There he is. He went by. Well, I may get to show you how this tactical... Come on down, boy. Let me test this tactical lens on you. Lens guard. Oh, bat. There's an old Nike base right here. There's a nursery right here, a power plant, and then an old Nike base. So there's nowhere for him to go. It's all fenced off there. He's just up there in those bushes. Anyway, it's not a real thrower, a great distance. Pretty good distance though. Look at way over there. But it's like a mid between a flood and a thrower. Lights up the whole field. Lights up the whole field pretty far too. See those palm trees over there, about 150 to 170 feet away. I went to this school in the early 70s, 71, 72, I think. 1970, 71, 72. So, your firefly, your low, medium, high, turbo, strobe. So here's a really close look at what comes with it. You got your sheath, lanyard, the extra O-rings, and rear button case, rear button cover, and the charger cover, the red lens, USB cable. Comes in the box. But look at the finish on this. ThruNite VSS V4. Link in the details. Check it out.